Hi everyone, my name is Fabien Roland. I'm leading the GCA France manufacturing site. Our breast implants are made of silicone gel following high quality and safety standards from medical device regulation from all over the place.
One of the key aspects in getting the passport, as I said, to sell our products in the market is to also maintain the passport. And to maintain the registration or passport, it's important that we demonstrate that our systems continuously deliver a safe and effective products.
Hello, my name is Stephen Borsanti and I have 23 years experience working in this industry. Each product is designed with safety, effectiveness and user needs as our priority. Once designed, each product undergoes a highly technical audit and scrutiny by a notified body in order to obtain the necessary CE mark that's required to sell our products in the medical devices industry.
Patient safety and quality of product are a priority for us, as it means trust and longevity with our customers, surgeon and patient.
We work to make sure our breast implants not only comply at all levels, but exceed safety standards that are required by regulatory authorities around the globe.
We are producing for more than 30 years GCA breast implants, and we served in our history millions of women.